Kakapo parrots, endearing flightless parrots of New Zealand. The kakapo, also known as the owl parrot, is one of the most unique and fascinating birds in the world. Native to New Zealand, this large flightless nocturnal parrot is a species unlike any other. With its charming personality, moss-green plumage and comical behavior, the kakapo has won the hearts of bird lovers globally. However, it is also one of the most endangered birds, with an incredible story of survival and conservation. Physical characteristics. The kakapo, scientific name, Strigops habroptilus, is the heaviest parrot in the world, weighing up to 4 kilograms, 8 pounds. It is a flightless bird, with wings too small and weak to lift its large body. Instead of flying, kakapos rely on their strong legs to climb trees and hop across the forest floor. One of their most distinctive features is their facial feathers, which resemble a round owl-like face, giving the kakapo its nickname, owl parrot. This unique appearance is complemented by soft moss-green feathers with black speckles, helping them camouflage perfectly in their forest habitat. Kakapos also have a long lifespan, living up to 90 years, making them one of the longest living birds. Habitat and behavior. Kakapos are found only in New Zealand, where they once thrived in native forests across the islands. Today they are confined to predator-free sanctuaries, as their populations have drastically declined due to habitat destruction and introduced predators. The kakapo is a nocturnal bird, meaning it is most active at night. It spends its evenings foraging for food, climbing trees, and exploring its environment. Despite their inability to fly, kakapos are excellent climbers, often scaling tall trees to reach leaves, fruits, and seeds. They are herbivores and have a diet that includes berries, flowers, and bark. Courtship and breeding. The kakapo is famous for its unusual breeding behavior, which revolves around a process called lekking. During the mating season, male kakapos gather in specific areas known as leks and compete for the attention of females. They produce a series of deep, resonant booming calls that can carry over long distances, as well as high-pitched chinging sounds. These vocalizations are used to attract females to their location. The booming calls are created using a special air sac in the bird's chest, and males can call for hours each night during the breeding season. Once a female chooses a male, she mates and then builds a nest to lay her eggs. However, kakapos are slow breeders, as females only lay eggs once every 2-4 years, depending on food availability, particularly the fruit of the native rimu tree. Endangerment and challenges. The kakapo's story is one of survival against incredible odds. When humans first arrived in New Zealand, the kakapo population began to decline rapidly. The introduction of predators such as rats, cats, and stoats devastated the species, as kakapos had evolved without natural predators and lacked the ability to defend themselves. By the 1970s, the kakapo was on the brink of extinction, with fewer than 50 birds remaining. Habitat destruction also played a significant role in their decline, as the forests they depended on were cleared for farming and settlements. Conservation success story. In response to the kakapo's precarious situation, the New Zealand Department of Conservation launched a massive conservation effort in the late 20th century. The Kakapo Recovery Program was established to protect the species and ensure its survival. The remaining kakapos were relocated to predator-free islands, such as Codfish Island, Wenuahau, and Anchor Island, where they could live and breed safely. The program involves intensive monitoring and care. Every kakapo is given a name and fitted with a radio transmitter, allowing conservationists to track their movements and health. Nesting females are provided with extra food to support egg laying, and eggs are often incubated and hatched in controlled environments to increase survival rates. Thanks to these efforts, the kaka population has slowly but steadily increased. As of today, there are over 250 kakapos, a significant improvement from their lowest numbers. However, they remain critically endangered, and conservation work is ongoing. Why kakapos matter. The kakapo is not just an adorable, quirky bird, it is also a symbol of resilience and the importance of conservation. Its story highlights the devastating impact of human activity on native wildlife and the potential for recovery when we take action to protect endangered species. The kakapo also plays a vital role in New Zealand's ecosystems. By spreading seeds through their diet, they contribute to the growth and regeneration of native forests. Saving the kakapo is not just about preserving a single species, it is about protecting an entire ecosystem. Fun facts about kakapos. Heaviest parrot. Kakapos can weigh up to 4 kilograms, making them the heaviest parrot species in the world. Unique smell. Kakapos have a sweet musky odor that is unique to them, which has been described as honey-like. Booming calls. Male kakapos can call so loudly that their booms can be heard up to 5 kilometers, 3 miles, away. Tree climbers. Despite being flightless. Kakapos are excellent climbers and use their beak and claws to scale trees. Named individuals. Every kakapo has a name and is closely monitored by conservationists, making them one of the most studied bird species in the world. Conclusion. The kakapo is a one-of-a-kind bird that has captured the imagination of people around the world. Its story of survival, combined with its endearing personality and quirky traits, makes it a symbol of hope for conservation efforts. While the kakapo's journey from near extinction to recovery is far from over, it serves as a powerful reminder of what can be achieved when we commit to protecting our planet's unique and vulnerable species. By continuing to support conservation programs, we can ensure that future generations will have the opportunity to marvel at the charming and extraordinary kakapo, the endearing flightless parrot of New Zealand.